So welcome guys. So today I'm going to be showing us how to design a full functional investment website like the one you are seeing on your screen, right? It has a lot of amazing features. You can see it has cryptocurrency live price, the about page, the live price page, contact us, services page. So it's sleek and beautiful and easy to use. So without wasting much time, let's dive in right into our cPanel to begin uploading our site. So first of all, like I always say, you need to purchase your host and domain from any service provider. You have a lot of service provider, Namecheap, GoDaddy, there are a lot of them. Then once you register, they are going to send you, once you purchase your host and domain, they are going to send you an email for you to access your cPanel. Okay, this is now I'm already on my cPanel because I've purchased my host and domain. So let's get to business. Now I'm going to look for um, the file manager. I want to look for file manager. Okay, here it is. So I want to upload our files into the file manager. So you click on public underscore HTML, like I always say. But now I have some websites in it. Now I have to create a new folder. That's a subfolder, and I'll give this folder. Let me give it crypto. Okay, let me give it crypto. So I'll click on create new folder. So this is my crypto folder. I'll click on upload, click on select file, then this is it. Yeah, so it's uploading. While it's uploading, you can just get a cheap bottle of coke and take all that. I'm just kidding. So you just have to be patient for it to upload, and it must show green. Once it show green, means it is successful. You can continue your process. So if you want this script, I'm going to drop a link below on how you can get access to this script, right? It's very affordable. Now what script does, it's embedded like pages by pages. It has been embedded already into a single zip file. This is what I'm uploading right now. Get, so you just have to upload the scripts. You don't need to know anything about coding. So that's it. So we just have to wait for this to load. So like I said, if you want access to this script, send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll be dropping a link below to contact me. Good. Now you can see it has shown green, so it means it has successfully uploaded. So let's click on home. Now this is what we just uploaded, right? So there are a lot of files inside this script. As you can see, it's in its zip format. So we need to unzip this script to see the files inside. So we just have to right click, then click on extract, then extract files. You can see these are all the files inside the script. So you click on close, then you reload this, then you click here, there's a folder, open the folder, click on select all, right click, then you click on move because we don't want them on that folder. We want them on the folder we created, which is crypto. So we just have to remove this default folder, then move all the files into the crypto folder we created. So let's check our crypto folder if they are successfully removed. So all right, now we have successfully moved our files into our crypto folder. So the next thing we want to do now is to download, is to install, is to create our database. So how do we create our database? You need to come to cPanel tools and search for database wizards. You see, you must search for the wizard. There are a lot of database, but the one carrying wizard, that's the one we're going to make use of. So I'm just going to um, create a database now. Let me say new, and let me say old. Then I always generate my password with auto generator. So I'll click on the auto generated password. I'll copy that. Then I'll place it on my notepad. Control V. Then I'll click on I have used this password. Then I'll create user. You can see our database has been successfully created. So we'll just copy the username and the database name. Keep it on your notepad because we'll be needing them later as time goes. So I'll come down here, I'll click on all privileges, then I'll click on next step. See, I'm done with this section of creating the database. Now the next thing we're going to do now is to go to the PHP my admin to upload our SQL file. Now before we upload our SQL file, we need to go back to our file manager to download our SQL file. So the SQL file give the database function. SQL file. Okay, this is the SQL folder and this is the SQL database file. I already have it before, so if you want to download it, you just right click, then click on download. But I already have it on my system, so I don't have to download it again. Now I'll just head over back to the cPanel tools and search for PHP my admin. So this is the database we just created, and I think I have a database already installed, but this is the one we just created new. Then I'll click on it. Now I'll click on import. Now I want to import the SQL file. Now you click on choose file. Then this is the database SQL file. Then you scroll down. Then you click on import again. Just stay with me and ensure you follow the exact same process I'm taking right now, because it's going to guide you on how to set your own investment website without writing any single line of code. Right? Okay, so our SQL file has been successfully imported. Now let's go straight to our file manager to connect our database. So we'll look for a folder. This, click on user, the user folder, then click on include, double click on it. Then you see config.php. This is where we are going to configure our database. So we just right click, then click on edit, then edit again. See, now we are going to edit these default names with the ones we created. This is the default database name and all of that. We need to replace it with the one we created. So the first one here is the okay, the first one is the database user. So our notepad, you copy your database user, copy, then you carefully input the database user and ensure you don't touch the code, because if you mess with the column, sorry, if you mess with the column, it's going to affect everything you are doing. So the next one is the password. Copy the password, Control V, and the last one here is the database name. Now this is the database name, copy that. and you paste that too. Now we are not done here. As you can see, the it's still carrying the default URL, so we need to change it to our own URL. So you just have to copy the site link, then carefully place it here. Carefully place it there. All right, so you can decide to change the site name, but I'll be leaving all of that. So you click on save changes. Then let's check our websites. I'll copy the site URL. Then remember we uploaded it in a crypto folder, so you just say /crypto. All right, you see it's loading. Let's see what we have been doing so far. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that? Very beautiful. A sleek investment website. So this is the end product of the website. You see, now if you want to change your the logo and everything, you can do that right inside the index file. Okay, so if you want access to this script, just message me on WhatsApp. I want to give you details about getting the scripts. And please, if you are joining for the first time, please like and subscribe our channel and also share our channel